7 and 8. Fondu front on 1 and 2. And fondu to the side, 3 and 4. Work on turn out, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, that will help you later on do the free later. Okay, fondu back, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Work on your turn out, 5, artistry on 6, 7, artistry on 8. Single on 1, single on 2, double on 3, breathe up on 4, balancing on 5, balancing on 6, balancing on 7, definitely hold on 8. PK, attitude, arm up, find your center, twist. Slowly, swap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, back. 2, back. To the side. Back. And the side. And the back. And the side. Single. Double. And double. And break. And balancing. Balancing. Good. And definitely hold. And PK attitude.